up, everybody? It's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see your phone turn off and turn back on. Once you see the Apple logo, you can let go. Keep holding. Alright, you can let go. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We have a goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers. Let's hit it. And there you guys go. Your phone's been hard resetted.